Okay, so guys, welcome to that once again. So today we are just looking at some simple thing, how to browse free on Android phone for both Ghana and Nigeria. That is what I've verified so far. For Ghana, you have 500 megabyte daily. For Nigeria, you have unlimited, meaning that it does not get finished. You can use for the whole day, the whole month, the whole year. Still, it will not get finished. So let's get into it without wasting my time. So the app we're going to use is for Start VPN Reloaded. This one place, Start VPN Reloaded. So I just have to tap on it to open it. Now, once you open it for the first time, you just have to tap on this three lights here. Now, the more, then you tap on the update trick here. So you have to have some small data to be able to do the update of tray. So at least 1 megabyte to do. You tap on it and to update for. Now, after the update, you come to the downside here and that's the dialect or none. Then you look for a network. I'm in Ghana, so I'm using Ghana 500 megabytes. My Nigeria friends can also use their Nigeria Go Unlimited. They have the Nigeria MTN Unlimited, the Nigeria MTEL Unlimited. So Nigeria is like enough for the unlimited chow, but Ghana have the Ghana for the full unlimited. So Ghanaians too can also try that one and see how best it can work for them. So let's get into it. I just have to type on the MTN 500 megabytes now. Then I tap on the red, then the power button. So it will take some time to connect. So it will be connecting. I'll be waiting to be connecting, So sometimes it takes some time to connect. Depending on the network speed. For that one, depending on the network speed. So as it is connecting. Once it is connected, you get a simple ask like this. So just get back connected. So you can just go back to all the social media, Facebook to go and do your browsing and do stuff. So that's the simple way you can browse free in Ghana and Nigeria and other countries. So thank you. So please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like and drop your comments. Let me know if it worked for you in the comment section. Thank you.